This is likely a studio couch 2.5 meter in front of you. This is likely a teddy 73 centimeter in front of you. This might be a Sealyham Terrier 57 centimeter in front of you. This is likely a teddy 77 centimeter in front of you. This might be a Lhasa 69 centimeter in front of you. This might be a West Highland White Terrier 70 centimeter in front of you. This is likely a basketball 78 centimeter in front of you. This is likely a soccer ball 1.1 meter in front of you. This is likely a upright piano 2.1 meter in front of you. This might be a notebook 84 centimeter in front of you. This might be a mouse 75 centimeter in front of you. This might be a coffee mug 81 centimeter in front of you. This is likely a computer keyboard 46 centimeter in front of you. This might be a printer 77 centimeter in front of you. This might be a window shade 1.1 meter in front of you.